Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure. Some time ago, we sanded down the floor and removed all the rotten parts. Despite hours of work, we decided to replace the entire kitchen floor at once. The plan was simple. Build a frame out of metal profiles, place wooden panels on top. That would become the base, the first structural layer we could expand as we cleared more of the old, damaged parts.
I just realized that we are doing it a little bit wrong and we need to clear out everything first on the first level where we're gonna install the aluminium structure. So here this thing is still in place, yeah, but here I just took it off. Yeah, I was afraid of taking these things off, but yeah, I just did it because we still need to change the floor, and these things were for 100% disturbing this process. We're gonna have another round of cleaning and yeah, covering the holes and putting the primer and the paint. And of course, I think these will be filled with Kantoflex, of course. What else can be filled with?
Finally, we are ready to install our insulation and construction parts. Sometimes we like to do things vice versa. For some reason, we thought it made sense to install the insulation before the floor. Какой-то маленький кусочек нужно.
Ровно, ровно, ровно. И тут даже в углу ровно. И тут... Надеюсь, он не отвалится оттуда.
We decided to make the frame out of Kantoflex, a system with aluminum profiles of different sizes and plastic connectors in all kinds of shapes. Out of all options, this one seemed the easiest and most beginner-friendly. And after dealing with so much rot, we really wanted to use materials resistant to weather and moisture. First, we measured and cut the metal profiles to size.
Что какая хитрая природа.
Хитро, да? Then assemble them, just like a giant Lego set.
Ну вообще огонь. Тут прям идеально.
Just fit in the frame.
Влезоба?
Просто что там сейчас еще не готово.
Ну да.
Отличный был пол.
Important note: don't install insulation before removing the floor.